Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin, this is Laura. So today we're on our way out to Englishtown, which is one of the oldest settlements in North America. So I'm just parked on the side of the highway right now, guys. We just got some gas and started heading out, but I forgot to do the intro, so that's where we're at now.
He always forgets that.
And we'll catch you back when we get there. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? We're here. We just parked the car. We're down the very end of Englishtown, and we're heading up to an old logging road which leads to, I believe, 7 sets of waterfalls. Once you get to the end and follow the brook, it's called Grappling Brook Falls. We're going to try and find them anyway, guys. If not, we have a great story to tell with this area. The entire area, guys, is supposedly haunted. As I said in the intro, this is one of the oldest settlements in North America. Here's the trail. We're parked down there. So there's actually a house up here on the left. We take the road on the right, which is the start of the old logging road. And there's quite a bit of brooks and such to cross up here, guys. So we've got the chest waders, and we'll get across this year. So to save you guys some boredom, I'm going to stop here, and we'll start up again when we get up ahead a bit. So that being said, guys, I'll catch you back in a bit. Peace. Okay guys, we're about 3 to 5 minutes in, and you come to this area here. Now last year when we got here, guys, this was polluted with water. We had a hard time crossing it. Actually, this part here was completely full, so it doesn't look that bad this year. Water levels are down. And when we came here last year, guys, it was like maybe October. So then you come to this bridge. Keep on trucking. And once you get up here, guys, there's another big brook. I may have to put my chest waders on to get across the next one. Another beautiful area, guys. Like I said, this is an old logging road. Oh yeah, water level is really, really low this year. This time of year anyway. So this is what we come to, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna have to put the boots on, get across, and then get Missy across. So I'll catch you guys back when I get across here. Peace. Hey guys, I'm across. Now I'm just waiting for Missy to work her way across. And I'm glad I brought those chest waders. Beautiful area, guys. Beautiful area. How deep this was last year, the water level was up almost to the top of the bank. This is how you get your girlfriend across, guys.
Yeah, and got me dirty.
Yeah, when I threw the waders at her, they kind of hit her in the pants and got her dirty. So we're across, and we'll catch you back once I get these off her. Peace out, guys. Hey guys, we're back, and we're now headed up the trail. Get rid of that spider web. So this is what you come to. Trail leads uphill. Story that goes with this place, guys, is it's haunted by a fisherman that drowned. Now you can't find a lot of information on that, but that's what I found. And if you're lucky, you may even see him up here, as people have before. I read a story last night that 2 guys hiked up here, and they got to this little pond, and there was a big rock by the pond, And the two guys seen this this man in a plaid checkered shirt and overalls sitting on this rock fishing in the pond. Oh, straggler, see that? So yeah, they seen the guy sitting on the rock fishing, and they asked him, was he catching anything? And they got no answer. So they got closer to him and they asked again. And he just turned around and looked at them. And if I remember correct, they said that when he looked at them, he had 2 pupils in each eye, and the 2 of them just darted out of the area. Englishtown is one of the oldest settlements in North America. Established as a French fishing port in 1597. In 1629, Charles Daniel, who was a member of Champlain's company, he was given a monopoly on the fur trade in New France. He constructed the first French fortification here using Scottish prisoners of Lord Stewart that he captured during the raid on Baleen, Nova Scotia. Sorry guys, I'm just out of breath. He named it Fort St. Anne. His settlement was the site of the first Jesuit mission in North America, and the fort was occupied until 1641, and then again from 1650 to 1669 by Nicholas Denny's. Sorry guys. After which Cape Breton remained unsettled until the construction of Fort Dauphin as a second port comparable to the main settlement. Comparable to the main settlement at Louisbourg. Fort Dauphin was established in 1713, and it was briefly the capital of La Royale, which is known as Cape Breton, before government was moved in to Louisbourg. Fort Dauphin was destroyed during the surrender of Louisbourg in 1745. Plans had been drawn up for a new fortification to be built at St. Anne's Bay, but never came to fruition. The area around Grappling Brook has its own share of history and is reputedly haunted by the ghost of a fisherman who drowned, and is locally referred to as Spooky Hollow. This is commonly called Black Head. Now, as I said, people say you may see the ghost of the fisherman wearing this red and black checkered shirt with overalls on, sitting on the rock, fishing in a little water hole. They say that this whole area around Englishtown is haunted. Now, seeing as there were people residing in this area as far back as 1597, and as I said earlier, there was once a part here near the point of Cape Dauphin, plus the indigenous back then also resided in this area, and it's known as sacred ground to them. So as you can see, we're now heading downhill, and not sure how it goes from there, but we'll start up every now and then and show you guys. So catch you back. Peace. So hey guys, we're back, and I believe we're almost there. I can see through the clearing there now. I can see the ocean. It is quite the hike. We're probably half hour or more into it now. So guys, we get a little bit further up and come to this other bridge we're across, guys. That one is very dangerous. That's a very, very old and rickety looking bridge, and I suggest you be very careful crossing that. There's a brook leads right down to the shore. We're going to follow the trail and catch you back when we get there. So guys, after a very, very extensive, long ass hike, we are just about here. As you can see the beach down here. Now I highly doubt we're going to make it to the waterfalls today. because it just took so long to get here. Yeah, there's a third bridge, and I am not crossing that. There's no way in hell I'm going to walk across that. We're going to take the trail to the left there and get down on the beach. I wouldn't trust that bridge. That's a bridge, takes you to another trail.
Oh, how would they?
We're not going that way.
Yeah.
We're going down here to the beach.
Right there.
And that's it. That's as far as we're going today. We'll probably come back sometime, guys, and find the waterfalls for you guys. As I said, there's like, sorry guys, I got a big spider web right in the face. As I said, there's like 6, maybe 7 sets of falls. And if you continue on. So there, guys. I'm going to put my Mavic Air 2 up here and get you guys an even better view. So, that being said, guys, we'll stop here. I'll throw the Mavic up. We'll get you guys some aerial footage, and then we're going to call it a day and head back this long ass hike. So, catch you back in a bit. Peace. Hey guys, what'd you think of that aerial footage? Awesome place, isn't it? With a beautiful view. So we're gonna head home now. It's a long hike back. I'm gonna say it was a little over an hour to get down here. So that being said, guys, subscribe to our channel, leave your comments,
smash button, guys.
Smash that like button. Make sure your notifications are on, guys, so you don't miss our videos. And until the next one,
Catch you guys
catch you later. Peace.